So this is my second review on the Florea. I did one review in the garden the other day, but decided to do a better one this time. So here it is. It's nice size. It looks similar to brown turkey a bit, I guess, but it's definitely different in texture. So let's give it a taste. So it is a late ripener right here. We're in the end of August, and now it ripens. So it has a pretty close eye right here. This is called the eye, which is nice because everything else cracks. But if it has an open eye, even this will burst open and ants and stuff would get in. So I'm glad it has a close eye. The other day, I had this and it was quite gritty. It means the seeds, there was a lot of seeds that seemed to be too much. The only other fig I ever saw seed was brown turkey. But it's not like this, so this would be more seedy compared to brown turkey. But it is quite nice in texture and taste. I would say it's mildly sweet, not overly sweet. Yeah, this is a pretty nice fig. Just a little bit seedy on the seedy side. Otherwise, it's good.